Hello, it's Jasmine from Mission U. I am just about to sneeze on my brother. Doesn't actually know this one's coming. So it should be a bit of a surprise for him and his friend, who's also in his room at the moment. To do this, I've tried sniffing pepper and that didn't work. So I'm now going to try to stick a cotton bud up my nose. It sounds very stupid, but it's the only way I'm going to get myself to sneeze. Now I'm just going to have to kind of try and hide the camera so that it can be a surprise for him and he doesn't know this is coming.
No, don't. Shut up. Right next to the ball. Wow.
Yes. I just sneezed on my brother.
I will put it back on you.